Hi, it's Andrew Pancioli here from the Market Timing Report. It is Wednesday, the 28th of May, and it's coming up to 8:45 in the evening in the United Kingdom. So, as it stands today, Bitcoin has seen a 2.5% pullback. It had been racing up over the last few weeks. We gave you the low in the Market Timing Report based back in April. Those cycles were very strong, and we've moved up from there. So, the reason I'm doing this video is that several of our private clients have been in touch and have been asking, is this now a false breakout? Should we be bailing out here? Let me share the following information. I'm going to show you how we can figure out exactly what's going on. And despite the fact we're seeing a pullback, is it all over? So just stay with me and I'll walk you through it. Well, here we are on Yahoo Finance. Here's a daily chart of Bitcoin in US dollars. And we can see, of course, it's been in the news everywhere. Bitcoin has made a new high. It's broken up, but it's pulled back. So the question is this a false breakout or are we heading much, much higher? And to get some ideas about this, well, you see, the other thing, of course, it's made a triple top. And of course, triple tops, for those of you who look at charting and trading using charting, know that quite often triple tops bring in a very sharp reversal. So we're definitely seeing a pullback. Today, it's down 2.64% as I record this video. And let's have a look to see what the smart money is telling us and see if we can make any conclusions from that. So stay with me and we'll look at that right now. So here we are on the smart money platform. I'm going to tell you exactly what this is all about and what it means. It's part of the Master Traders course and professional platform. And what we see here is the following. First of all, the index here is giving us 3 lots of 100% indicators. And when we see that, that's something we're looking at in the overview of the platform here. Anything that's below 10 is a potential sell. Anything that's above 90 is a potential buy. And we can see those. For this video, we're just concentrating here on Bitcoin. Now, what we're seeing here is the behavior of the smart money. Well, the smart money is the money that that knows what's going on. It's the money that they're the hedgers, the producers in certain things. And in the case of Bitcoin, they're probably the guys who are buying to support the ETFs and other such different sort of derivatives, as it were, or whatever we want to call them, other instruments. So we're up at 100%. And basically what we're seeing here is this is a breakdown of what the smart money does. And they're either buying or selling. And what we look at here is the relative performance between them. And what we're seeing is that despite when we got to this high here, they were selling a lot up to this they always sell into rallies, and then they came all the way, they've stopped selling. But the thing is, the market has been rallying again without them selling, and they've been buying into this rally. Now this we haven't really seen. That was the last time we saw them buying into a rally there, and that popped all the way up there. So this suggests now that we are definitely going higher. This is really important information, you know, as you can see here. In fact, if we look at last time we were at that level there, that saw quite a significant move up from there. So, but the selling wasn't as diminished as it is now. It's at the lowest level we've seen it in a very, very long time. In fact, sort of this is one of the major lows in selling, and you can see there what happened there. And at that point in time, the buying wasn't as strong. So this suggests that the smart money is buying very aggressively at the moment. So even though we're seeing a pullback, basically we are seeing the idea that Bitcoin could be heading an awful lot higher. The next factor I want to bring in is our advanced seasonality platform, which we've enhanced with AI. And this is telling us quite a lot of interesting things. So looking at the last 13 years of data in Bitcoin, basically we've noticed that. But from the date of 20th of May, so that would be 8 days previously, all the way through to June the 5th, Bitcoin is closed higher on that occasion. In fact, it's closed on every one of those previous occasions. It's closed higher according to our data. And the annualized returns are as high as 468%. Okay, you know, that's a big number. But the point is that we're generally in a bullish phase, despite the fact we're pulling back. So the idea is this is where Bitcoin was on the 20th. We should close higher than that by the time we get here. So that's still not out of the question by a very long way. Not only that, we've got an AI profile here, and this shows that actually from this point here, from April, Bitcoin tends to be quite bullish, and you can see that that actually has been the case. And in fact, this exact date was given to you in the April market timing report. For those of you who subscribe to the report, you will know that, you'll have seen that. And of course, the weekly cycle there came in exactly that point, catching this acceleration. So this is important information. But what else can we glean from this? Well, we can see that, first of all, June tends to be a bullish month, so we can expect this to carry on up. And as you can see, the path for the year ahead kind of is looking pretty bullish, maybe a couple of pullbacks, but then it really starts moving, when we get to mid-September as a low from which it doesn't return. Now, of course, this is just probability. This is just getting the odds on your side. And this information to me suggests that Bitcoin is going to head higher, and this is just a temporary pullback. So returning then to the actual chart right now, still down 2.57%. Yeah, I think it could well come back to these old tops here, come back, maybe just going a little deeper, just to knock out a few stops to the downside. People put stops down here. It's been quite an explosive run up. As I mentioned, that date there was given to you in the April report, and these dates here were as well. And we did have a turning point date right here, which has come in. So it's a pullback as far as I would bet. Remember, there's only one truth, and that's the market. So there we have it. As I say, it's a triple top, so it is a point of concern. This could look like a false breakout to many. In fact, I've been talking to traders who do think it is that, and it's about to tank. Personally, the odds don't favor that at the moment, mainly because the smart money is buying very heavily. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to know more about the different platforms, the links are down below. And of course, if you like this information, first of all, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. As I say, all the information's there. You can find out about the market timing report. You can find out about the advanced seasonality platform. And you can also find out more about the Masters Traders Course and Professional Platform. And all these tools are designed to give you an edge in trading and investing. Ultimately, there is only one price. That's the only thing you trade. But if you have an idea of where it might be heading, then you've got the odds on your side. So stay safe, and thanks for watching.